And just put the phone up here. Bok choy, coleslaw mix, onion powder. Tried these for the first time. I've never tried them. It's chow mein noodles, so I'll make a stir fry with this. Mushrooms, a big pack of chicken, which I'm going to separate these, divide it, and stick it in the freezer. Three pack of peppers. These were $3.99. I think this was like this was expensive for the mushrooms. The chow mein was on sale. This was, I want to say, like $3. And then I bought a pair of sandals at Walmart. Love these ones. These are the soft material in between the toes so they don't hurt. These were $5. Box of Splenda. This was, I think, $10 for 200 packs of Splenda. English muffins. Those were like $3. The strawberries were on sale. They were $2.50, I think, at Walmart. Two of my soy melts, because I am very allergic to dairy. So these were on sale for, I think, $3.50, or 2 for $7 at Walmart. Spinach, I can eat this, warm it up with some water, but what I do is I freeze this and I put it in my smoothie. Now the hot dogs were on sale. These were on sale for $3.50 for the jumbos, so I bought 3 packs of those. All right, continuing my shopping haul for my smoothie. Frozen peaches. This one I got a tropical mix, which has dragon fruit, passion fruit, and pineapple. And then the strawberries. These are $5 a bag. Avocado dip, $5 each. Really good. I am going to make my own. And my dairy-free pizza, which I like to add toppings. I'll add onions or mushrooms, whatever I feel like that day. These are new. These are by Cheetos. They are vegan, white cheddar, dairy-free Cheetos. So I'm going to try these for the first time. Whenever I try a new item that is dairy-free, I have to make sure I'm off the next day, because I'll get really sick, and sometimes it can last a couple of days. But this time here, I'll try these on my next day off, because I'm only off for one day because I picked up yesterday. So I will try these on the next day and let you know how these are. But if not, there's another bag. This is a President's Choice one. These are plant-based cheddar cheesies. These are actually really good too. So I'm going to do the comparison, see how they taste. Okay, so I got some cornflake crumbs. I normally use shake and bake, but I went for this one because there's no dairy in this. There's no dairy in the Shake and Bake brand either, but I find if I get the Shake and Bake brand, less than a pack, only 2 packs, this here is much more, and I'll add my own spices to it. So I'll do Shake and Bake chicken with this. Now I do buy a lot of vegan items, and it's only because I'm allergic to dairy, so that's the only reason why you'll see that. I bought some cleaning supplies because I'm here away for work and I had to buy some to clean my apartment. More laundry pods. I ended up buying this one here, 31 pods, because I was going to get the Gain, which I normally get the Gain, but they're super sized and there's only 18 pods.